have the Ironman Tyre Repair Kit, and it's basically just an emergency tyre repair kit where you have your tools that you can use to repair the puncture on a tyre. So you don't need to remove the tyre, you can just repair it while the wheel is on the vehicle. And yeah, like you said, we're talking from first-hand experience. Jaco and I was at Klein Alp the other day, and we were just busy with the tyres and deflating the tyres, getting the correct tyre pressure before going on our trip. And as Jaco pulled the bucket closer, we realized that one of the wheels were flat, and when we had a closer look, we saw that one of the sticks just sticking to the sidewall. And yeah, we took our Ironman Tyre Repair Kit that time, and we fixed the tyre right there, then and there, and then yeah, we used the Ironman compressor and we just inflated the tyre again. Easy as that.
And all this stuff is available at Ironman AFC?
Yeah, available from us, and people can contact us at 229 633, or they can send me an email at sales1@afc.com.na.